For sale. This is a chassis that had the double motors on it. What you see here is what you'll be getting. Peerless angle drive, noram clutch. It's got bearing hangers in it, so you can put an 1.25 inch rear axle in it. It's set up for an MTD caliber, 7-inch rotor for the brakes. Comes with the headers, titanium wrap, throttle pedal cable, the butterfly assembly for both carburetors, some wiring, the hood, and the rear pan. It has a couple of the tensioner pulleys underneath. That's it. Want $200 for everything.